We are filming the exact at the exact same time. Let's see who gets the most likes. But guys, wait. He's bring the slipper in the river. Let's see the chicken. No kidding. This is a toilet. Exactly broke. Get the toilet like this. I do the toilet like this. It's really yeah. Oh my god. Again, just to go this shower. I think shower like this. So abandoned. This is abandoned river. No river. It's okay. Here's another toilet over here. Bath. Wait, so this is very old. Is that the toilet? Is this the toilet? Why is this small? Oh my god! Why is there a bucket full of mud? This is abandoned. Then we go to the river. Let's see shade flower. Okay guys, this is some it was shade flower things. Look first. It's shade flower. He's ready. Oh, it's close. It's one of is it a ribbon? Exactly. That when you touch them, they close. First, we see another one shade flower. Okay. What's the door is open? I think is that the ghost? Oh. Stop, be careful.